guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, I'm not happy. There is one thing on my Scirocco that I actually hate. Now you might be wondering, what is that thing that I don't like on my car? Well, I'm gonna just take it away, Michael. Take it away.
Okay, well, you must be fucking blind if you don't know what I'm on about at this point after clicking the title of the video, but I don't know. The one thing I really dislike about this Scirocco is the rear diffuser. This is the poorest excuse for a diffuser, even on a car that is made for normal civilians, not boy racers like myself. I mean, you may as well stuck a sign on the back saying, I'm dull as fuck. I honestly hate it. It makes the back end look so plain, like a doner kebab with no sour cream and onion sauce. So come on, there is no character at all to it. So we are going to be changing the diffuser from Janet to Maureen. Now let's actually try and get this on. Let's go.
Now then, when I say try, I really do mean try. I have been trying to install loads of different modifications to the car, including a sick carbon fiber spoiler. That didn't fit, not one bit. So that is getting returned. I did actually try to fit some Maxton side skirts. I cut them even down to fit my Scirocco. And what I found is, if you actually try and drill up into this is actually like metal. Then yeah, I don't think I can have it on. So I have been trying to make videos for you guys. It's just not God's plan. Today's diffuser will fit though. So let's get straight into it. Probably not the most organised tool set you've ever seen this. So right here, guys, is the next diffuser. So let's actually get this out. So inside here. Oh. Jeez. So here is the new diffuser. It's obviously got the diffuser fins right here instead of just being flat right here. So it's got diffuser fins. Nice little cutout, and it's gloss black behind all this film. Because we'll try my hardest to make it fit, even if it doesn't. But let's get it. Oh, there you go. All off now. Did snap it right there, but hopefully we're not going to need to reuse that. Or we could just whip around it like you know, the twin turbo Lamborghini kind of thing. You can see the exhaust proper nice there. Yeah, jeez, I think we've done it. I think we might have nailed this. Quick spring roll brake. Come on. You're not Asian if you haven't tried these. Got some squash, Robinsons. Only way to go, man. In a sippy cup. I don't give a damn. Anyway, back to work. Yes, right. That was a very good spring roll. If you want to get an Asian excited, just give him some spring rolls.
So I got straight to work into installing the new Newty diffuser, and it was not a direct fit. It did just keep coming out of place. But anyway, I installed all of the screws from the old diffuser onto the new diffuser to obviously make sure it doesn't come flying off when I'm going down the motorway into Stephen's fucking Audi A5, who's fucking tailgating me, literally kissing my bumper.
Some of the holes don't actually line up with where the diffuser wants to be mounted. So for example, this one, the hole is there, but it wants to be connected here. So pretty much what I'm going to do, the good old-fashioned way, fucking this time, we're going to stick a blue one on. And just like that, zip tied on, nice and tight. Just one more for luck, just in case. Obviously that's all snugged up now, and then we trim the ends, and you won't be able to see this because it's obviously going to be low to the floor.
I then installed 2 more zip ties on the other side, and we were jobs are good 'un, as the British people say.
Guys, the diffuser is on. Pretty much. I just need to get the rear spats back on, and then we're finished. Pretty much there is a slight gap on the diffuser, but that's fine. Once it's lower to the floor, I think you won't be able to see it as much, but it's not perfect, but it's on. Let me quickly get the rear spats on, and I'll show you guys the results. incredible. Oh my god. It does come out a little bit, but that looks fucking mean. Holy shit. That's literally exactly what I wanted on the fucking car. You can see how much more aggressive it is. It reminds me of a Golf R back end now. And look at those. Those sweeps are gonna cut my fucking hair for me because somebody needs to. Because look at that. Tying in with the rear spats as well. It's a little bit of a different shade of black, but that completely is fine. Next up, we need to get a new spoiler for this bad boy. I did have one, but it's obviously getting returned. I just think from the back end of this car now, it just looks a lot more sporty. Obviously, like I always say, these cars aren't like a base Scirocco is not made to look very, very sporty like it's like a boy racer drives it. So it has that boring ass diffuser on from stock. This now looks like more of a race boy. Kind of the look I'm going for. Go on then. What's your reaction on it, Chloe? She's already seen it. No, you have seen it.
3, 2, 1. Wow! No, I think it looks cool actually. I was just saying that the rear spats, is that what they're called?
Yeah, these
The
bits.
rear spats look better now because it looks like it's like one thing.
Yeah. They're slightly different shades of black, but
There's that.
yeah,
We don't talk about that.
oh, I fucking know. There you go. But yeah, boys, actually, one thing I want to change right now, if we have time, I want to change these to black. There it is. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Gonna get these all sanded down just like this. Now sanded to the best of my ability. You can still see loads of black. That shouldn't be there, but I had like no sandpaper left. Right then, 20 hours later, and we've now got the gloss black. Little side things, and the finish on this came out so good. Look how glossy they are. Hold on, let me lift it up. Look at how nice that came out. I don't know if many people were here when I like first started spray painting and everything, but I was terrible. Spray painting, like I'd always get orange peel. It would look horrible. Like, this should be quite simple to plug back in. And ta-da, just like that. That is looking 10 times more sleek now. What do you guys think? Do you like that or not? A lot more subtle than the chrome, but I like it. But anyway, guys, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Fitting the new diffuser to the Scirocco. Let me know what you guys think of it. It's a nutty girl now, trust. Especially when it hooks into the rear spat. That is disgustingly saucy. Absolutely disgusting. But yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video, guys. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new. Plenty more modifications to come. Let me do a little spoiler for everybody watching till the end. We're getting a remap this week, something on the interior and something again on the exterior/interior. It's sick. But all those modifications will come. I'm very excited to show you guys, just like usual. Just wait, just wait. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Plenty more modifications to come, just like I said. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you faces in my next video.